catching up on 2 Wednesdays that we missed out on. Some days on Wednesdays, some weeks when Wednesdays roll around, I end up recording 2 videos, so I have some catching up to do. It's been a really busy summer, and I hope everyone enjoyed their summer. Today we're going to talk about, and this is a reminder that we are in partnership Earth Trend Creations with Enterprise, becoming one of several small business centers throughout the province of Ontario. If you're not from our surrounding area, it would be our absolute pleasure, as usual, to assist you in finding the information you need, which means we would match you up with a business center closer to you. Today, I want to tackle the oh so important YouTube channel part. You've seen that we have Earth Trend Creations and we have Enterprise Smithing's YouTube channels going. We're still in the infancy stage. However, we continue working towards growing our followership. Share, as it would help expand that reach. And we are learning as we go. But one thing that has been abundantly clear is that Canva is incredibly useful when working on your YouTube channel. So let's just, for example, go into the search bar and enter YouTube. Visit all of the options that Canva gives us. So channel art, you can go general, or you could go as specific as creating your YouTube channel logo, a display ad, a thumbnail. So I'm going to go into thumbnail for this specific workshop because it's important in the creation and the launching or the sharing of your video. To keep on going though, we have YouTube video ad, YouTube gaming video, YouTube intro, which could potentially be incredibly useful, music YouTube thumbnail, tutorial YouTube thumbnail, and food YouTube thumbnail. So again, we're going to go into just your regular, not just your regular, but YouTube thumbnails. Again, you're offered a bunch of beautiful templates to choose from. You can go into reviews, or we could go through it and give you a little bit of an idea of what's offered. So I usually go into all results because that's more encompassing. Obviously, you're going to find everything you need. Or you could narrow it down even more for the sake of Enterprise business, where you would have all your business individuals and anything resembling any sort of business. For this, however, I would go into one that I had already created. Alright, so now I've located the video that I was looking for. All I have to do is double click on it, it starts downloading, and next thing you know, the options are provided. So you could have pre-populated your title, your description. The likelihood is that you're not going to want to keep the same one every time, although there is that possibility. But we're here to show you what the thumbnail is. So basically, the thumbnail is what's going to show up here, like I had mentioned before, the first image that you're going to see. To upload that thumbnail, you just have to click on it. And you're going to find the one that you're looking to add. And click on it, it will add it. You could select your thumbnail on the based on images from the actual video. However, let's pause this. We're going to actually X out of there, but this is to give you an idea of exactly what it is that we're looking for when we're creating a thumbnail. So we're going to go back, cancel upload, and we're just going to show you, here's that consistency. The more consistent you are with your channel, the better it looks. It might take you a while to find your identity when it comes to your YouTube channel, but the quicker you are about it, the better it is and the better it looks for your company or your business. So we're going to go back and we're going to discover exactly what it is. So the reason, or part of the reason why I wanted to go into this, is I want to show you where I found the Zoom logo. You could potentially go in Elements and type in Zoom. You could probably find it in here. However, if it's a logo that's a little less common, or you're looking for more suggestions or options from Zoom, you can scroll down off to your left-hand side and click on the More option. This is where I'm going to be coming back a lot and often. Now, what I'm looking for is brand fetch. You will have to create a brand fetch account so that they can better identify you when you're going in and fetching the brand stamp. Yes, I meant that. Anyway, this gives you all of the options. And as you can clearly see, these are the more well-known. However, if you're looking for something more specific, there is that search bar that you can enter. When it comes to Canva, however, go back into Elements, go type in Canva. It's their program. They're going to have a multitude of things to offer from Canva. Of course, Canvas is going to come up. But this just gives you an idea of what's available down there, right, in that option. So this is where I went in and found that. So although there's that consistency in the thumbnail, there's also the possibility of adding specific logos. At one point, so I've talked about Zoom. Maybe I'll talk about another specific brand or something other that would fall into that more category, hopefully, and cover more ground. But this is one of the bigger ones, looking to get some of other companies' logos and adding it to your poster, whether it be a thumbnail or any other project that you're working on. That need might pop up. So there you go. We've created our thumbnail. We've saved it. We've added it to our video. If you have any additional questions, by all means, same as usual, please get in touch with us. It would be our absolute pleasure to provide you with an answer via video. Take care of yourself and each other. Have an awesome day.